Welcome to part 61 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning about question tags. A question tag is a short question at the end of a statement. We use them to check information or invite agreement. Here's the key rule for question tags. If the statement is positive, the tag is negative. It's cold today, isn't it? If the statement is negative, the tag is positive. It isn't raining, is it? Let's practice with more examples. You speak English, don't you? She works in a hospital, doesn't she? They haven't finished yet, have they? He can swim, can't he? Now notice what happens with to be and modals. You're tired, aren't you? He was late, wasn't he? They could hear it, couldn't they? For other verbs, we use do, does, or did. She likes coffee, doesn't she? You saw the game, didn't you? We need to leave, don't we? There's also a special case. I am. I'm right, aren't I? Not, am't I? Question tags change your intonation, too. If your voice goes down, you expect agreement. Nice weather, isn't it? You're quite sure it is. If your voice goes up, you're genuinely asking. You've met before, haven't you? You're less certain. Try using question tags today in conversation. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.